Okay, let's go ahead and finish this thing up. All right. Okay. Now, basically, we're going to have the same type of situation here that we're going to have with the piece that is cut out with a bandsaw. All right. Now, let me just. I'm just going to make this simple. I'm just going to put a little tie on him like I normally do. I'm not trying to get into great design with this thing. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Okay, we're just making this a little tie there. That's a tough place to get into. I'll get my V-tool in just a minute. And we'll work that out. Come here. Come up here. Move that. Over here the hand's basically there. So okay. Okay. We can come in between those feet a little bit more. There we go. This all, clean that up a little bit. Okay, let's go for the head now. Let's get this straight, what we want. Coming on both sides. Okay. Bring it all down a little bit. Okay. Okay. that. Let's see here. Alright. Just doing a fast version of this as we see. As we see. Do do do. Like I said, I'm not going for detail all that much in this situation, as I'm simply going just to show you the creation that you can see. Same thing here. I know a lot of you do not carve like this. I'm a different form of carver. When I do something, it's a little bit different than what a lot of people do. Just gonna go ahead and give him this type of a haircut. With me, it's all in how the cuts are done. Not so much about anything else. Just checking to make sure that I was recording. Sometimes the battery has a tendency, that battery doesn't, I wish it would beep and let me know when it's low. A lot of times, or when it's fixing to go out or whatever it was, and it doesn't seem to do that. It don't want to. It's an older camera. Okay. And let's make him a happy fella. Right. And then let's just kind of swing this underneath here. On our thing. Cut our hand out. Okay. Take this out in here. All right. Just a simple V-cut eye that we work out on the flat plane type do. And there you go. Well, no, there you don't go. I'm sorry. And get this back here. And this up here. Bring that shoulder down just a little bit. And voila. Here you have your done, you know, kind of fast, but the same thing that can be done from a cutout. Same thing that can be done. Doesn't have to have, oh, I'm sorry. I've got back here. I'm getting in a hurry here. I'm getting in a hurry. About to be June for us down here, which is start of hurricane season. Hope we have a mild year. I don't think I could take another one of those. Not like Harvey. All right, we'll just go from there. Let me wet it for a second, and we'll work from there. Ugh. What in the world did I do with my... I must have set it in here. Yeah, there it is. As you can see, I did this pretty fast. This was not a lesson in necessarily step-by-step carving. This was simply a... Get in here, right here. The sun is space in there. Get my V-tool out and dig that out in there. I'm just trying to use my my knife. Okay. There you are. See? Same thing. Just took a little bit longer. Same exact thing. Just took a little bit longer. It took longer to get to this area here that the bandsaw does. So don't let, whenever anyone does anything with a bandsaw, don't let that intimidate you. That, well, I don't have a bandsaw, so I can't do that figure. I have heard this so many times. You know, the reason I can't do that figure or whatever is because I don't have a bandsaw. But you can do the same thing by drawing the pattern out on the piece and doing the piece. All right, I'll go ahead and paint him, finish him up, show you, and we'll go, you know. So this is a good little lesson to learn about the fact that you know, it's not always that you have to have those specific tools and everything like that, and that you can go from there. So, and it's the same thing with an animal or a dog, or I'm gonna have to do that sometime with a dog. Draw the picture on there, and from that point carry you into the full piece with the dog. Like I said, it you know. All right. Okay, there you go. All right. Thank you now. I know a lot went kind of fast, but that was what my predominantly was, to just simply kind of teach you. And of course, you know, there's the hair's got to be put in and all that stuff. But just sort of show you that when someone approaches you with something that's been cut out with a bandsaw, don't become intimidated and say, well, I don't have a bandsaw, I can't do that piece. I can't do that. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Just take a little bit more time. That's all. Just take a little bit more time. Okay? And this is about a 3-inch piece right here that we just did. I think it is. It's somewhere, maybe a little bit larger, not much larger. If it was 1 1/4, it was a 1 1/4 inch wide. Let's see how tall this is. About 3.5. This is about a 3.5 inch piece right here that we did. And the same thing. I've done little small figures, 2 inch, 2.5 inch, out of a block of wood for you. But that's by drawing your pattern on there. It makes it so much easier. Gives you so much more for you to be able to handle it. Okay. All right. Thank you now. God bless.